12 Greek gods and goddesses and their powers. Zeus, god of heaven and thunder. Hera, goddess of marriage, queen of the gods. Poseidon, god of the sea. Demeter, goddess of agriculture and fertility. Ares, god of war. Athena, goddess of wisdom and war strategy. Apollo, god of sun, music, and healing. Artemis, goddess of the moon and the hunt. Hephaestus, god of fire and blacksmithing. Aphrodite, goddess of love and beauty. Hermes, god of messages and commerce. Hades, god of the underworld.